Hi, my name is Dylan Reap. I'm going to show you how to pre-op the K650H. First, you pop your hood. You want to check your engine oil. You want to wipe your dipstick, stick it back in. Then pull it out and check it again. Seems to be fine. It's in operating range. Then you want to check your antifreeze. Antifreeze is good. Then you want to check your air filter for if the nut's loose. Then you want to tighten it back up. Check your wraps. Then coming around the dozer, you want to check your track tension. Come around to the back, you want to look under it, see if there's any missing or lost bolts. Then right here, you want to check your transmission fluid. Again, you pull a dipstick, wipe it, stick it back in. Transmission's good, it's in operating range. Hydraulic fluid is good. And that's how you pre-op a K650H bulldozer.